How does the Shopback app work? Shopback is one of the most popular cashback apps across Asia and beyond. But how does it actually work? Let's break down the process step by step so you can start saving money every time you shop. So, first and foremost, go ahead and download the Shopback app or install the browser extension. Create a free account using your email or social login. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard with categories like fashion, travel, electronics, and food delivery. Shopback partners with hundreds of merchants. Each store shows a cashback rate. This is the percentage of your purchase you earn back. Rates vary by category, with travel often offering the highest returns. So to earn your cashback, you must start your shopping journey inside Shopback. From here, go ahead and tap on the store where you want to do your purchase, and that will take you into this page. So in here, click on the shop now button and you get redirected into that specific website or application of that specific merchant. Complete your purchase as usual, and Shopback tracks the transaction through affiliate links, ensuring your cashback is recorded. After checkout, your cashback appears as pending in the app. Merchants need to confirm the purchase, which can take days or weeks depending on the store. Once confirmed, the cashback moves to your available balance. When your balance is confirmed, you can withdraw it to your bank account, PayPal, or e-wallet. Minimum withdrawal thresholds apply. This is real money and not store credit. So to get the most out of Shopback, always start shopping through the app or extension. Check cashback rates before buying and stack discounts. Don't forget to play Shopback's games or quest for bonus rewards. So that is how Shopback app works.